Hey friends! Today I'm participating in the Sunrise Challenge hosted by Nikki over at Inspired by Nikki. She has challenged us to rise early and tackle our morning chores so that we have the rest of the day to enjoy. Once I am done getting ready for the day, I head out to the kitchen to empty the dishwasher and tidy up anything that may be left on the counters. Now it's time to give the counters a quick wipe down with my favorite method, all-purpose spray. I am getting my husband's breakfast out of the refrigerator. I like to make pre-made items that I can heat up quickly for him. So right now I am getting some egg muffins out that I had previously made, and I'm going to stick those in the oven for him. Moving on to the bathroom, I like to give the bathrooms a quick wipe down with a disinfectant wipe every morning. So I just grab one, do a quick wipe on the sink and the counter, and another quick wipe on the toilets. By this time, the sun is starting to come up and my kids are waking up for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe and join my YouTube family. Bye everyone!